Hi everyone, my name is Gogul and today I'm going to show you how to create and edit images using AI for free. So let's get started. First go to firefly.adobe.com, then sign into your Adobe account. If you want to create an image from scratch, click on text to image. Then enter in details what image you want. Let's say a vibrant, lifelike 3D rendering of a fish tank filled with clear water and decorated with colorful plants and rocks. Then click on the generate button. Wait for a few seconds. There you have it. You can change the aspect ratio, content type, styles, color and tone, lighting and the composition. You can adjust these settings to your liking to create the perfect image that meets your preferences. Also, if you like this particular image and you want to generate similar ones, all you have to do is click on this double tilde button. If you want to download an image, click on this download button and then click on the continue button. Then save the file to your computer. If you want to edit a generated image, click on this Generative fill button and then select the mode you want. If you want to add things to the image, select the insert mode and then highlight the area using the brush and then enter what you want in the area in the text box and then click on the generate button. As you can see, there are 4 different options generated here. You can also generate more options by clicking on the more button. Select an option you like and then click on the keep button to save the edit. If you leave the text box blank and click on the generate button, the selected area will be filled based on the surroundings. Also, if you want to remove things from the image, select the remove mode and then highlight the areas using the brush and then click on the remove button. Just like before, there are 4 different options available and you can also create more options using the more button. Select an option you like and then save the edit by clicking on the keep button. If you want to download the edited image, click on the download button in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on the continue button. Then save the file to your computer. You can also use Generative fill with your own images. To do that, you have to go back to Adobe Firefly home and click on the Generative fill and then click on the upload image button and select the image you want to edit and then click on the open button. Now you can edit this image however you want, just like I showed you before.